In this video, we are going to be learning how to create QR codes in Canva. The process is really simple. The first thing that you need to do is that you need to come into the left hand side and scroll down. Here you will be able to find apps. Just click on this. And from here, inside of the search bar, you have to search for QR. You're going to be seeing this option QR code generator. Just click on this. And here you will be able to see this particular app. Just click on this and click on open. Once that is done, you basically need to add a URL for you to create a QR code for. So for that, let me go into my YouTube channel and let me copy this link and paste it inside of here. Now I'm going to be clicking on generate code. And as you can see, the QR code will be generated. I can expand this and add it into the center. And whenever somebody scans this QR code, it will work and will be redirected directly into my YouTube channel. So that is how you add a QR code in Canva. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day.